In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page numbers in Google Docs efficiently and seamlessly. This process will help you customize your document exactly the way you need it, whether for a school project, a professional report, or any other document. Removing page numbers can be essential, especially when the formatting doesn't require them. So let's walk through the steps together to make this change. To get started, open your preferred web browser and type Google Docs into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you should see the link to Google Docs pop up in your search results. Click on this link, and it will take you directly to the main interface of Google Docs. Once you're there, you need to log into your Google account if you haven't already. This step ensures that you have access to all your Google Docs files and can make any necessary edits. With that done, go ahead and open a new document in Google Docs. You can do this by clicking on the blank option, which will appear once you've navigated to the main Google Docs page. With your new document open, let's ensure that you're in Print Layout mode. This is crucial because removing page numbers is an option that appears under this mode. To find it, go to the View menu located at the top and select Print Layout. You should see a check mark next to it once it's enabled, indicating that you're on the right track. Now that your document is in the correct mode, let's deal with those page numbers. If you've previously added page numbers, they will appear either in the header or the footer of your document. To begin editing, simply double-click on the page number itself. This will bring you into the editing mode of the header or footer, allowing changes to be made directly. While in editing mode, move your cursor to the immediate right of the number. This careful placement is important because it positions you to delete without any unintended changes around the number. With your cursor in place, press the backspace key on your keyboard. This action will remove the page number. Once that deletion is confirmed, click anywhere outside of the header or footer to exit the editing mode. By doing so, you will finalize your edits, and you should see that the page number has disappeared from view. And that's it. Your document should now be free of page numbers, giving it a cleaner, distraction-free appearance. Continue to save your document and exit when you're satisfied. With these steps, you can remove page numbers whenever necessary, quickly and effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.